Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10-line essay on World AIDS Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is World AIDS Day is observed annually on 1st December. Second line is its aim is to raise awareness about HIV or AIDS. Third line is it encourages people to show support for those living with the virus. Fourth line is in 2023, we will observe the 35th commemoration of this important day. Next line is this year's theme is World AIDS Day 35, Remember and Commit. Sixth line is the day serves as a global platform to promote education, prevention, and treatment of HIV or AIDS. Seventh line is despite significant progress in HIV prevention and treatment, the virus continues to affect millions of people globally. Eighth line is, this day reminds us of the importance of getting tested and supporting research and efforts to find a cure. Ninth line is, the day also highlights the need for fighting discrimination, last line is, by spreading awareness and working together, we can strive to end the HIV or AIDS epidemic.